all-on-4 dental implants offer a groundbreaking solution for people who have lost most or all of their teeth. This advanced procedure uses just 4 implants placed strategically in the jaw to support an entire arch of new teeth. The process starts with detailed planning, often using 3D imaging to find the best spots for implant placement. 2 implants are positioned at the front of the jaw where the bone is strongest, while the other 2 are angled at the back to maximize support and avoid sensitive areas. One of the biggest advantages of all-on-4 is the immediate transformation it provides. Patients can arrive with failing or missing teeth and leave the same day with a full set of fixed, natural-looking teeth. These new teeth are stable, don't slip like dentures, and allow you to eat, speak, and smile confidently right away. Over the next few months, the implants fuse with the bone, creating a permanent foundation. After healing, patients receive their final, custom-made teeth for a long-lasting and beautiful result. All-on-4 has changed thousands of lives by restoring function, comfort, and self-esteem, often in just one day. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and hit like. This channel is all about teeth, dental health, and oral care. This is educational content only. If you experience any symptoms or concerns, please consult a dentist immediately. Dental Vision 3D Animation.